Reconnecting with your inner calm, voice only relaxation. These days, in our busy, fast-moving world, it's more important than ever to have a healthy and regulated nervous system. One that supports your calm, clarity, and conscious presence. It's absolutely wonderful that you chose to take this time for yourself, to go inward and relax, instead of seeking external solutions to avoid the silence. This short voice-only guided relaxation and meditation is designed to support your body and mind, whether you are here to release stress, calm your nervous system, find a moment of inner peace, or just enjoy a meditation without music. Let's slow down together and reconnect with the quiet space within you, where nothing needs to be fixed or changed. Settle into a comfortable position and feel the support beneath you. Take a few gentle, natural breaths. Soft inhale and slow exhale. Soft inhale and slow exhale. Briefly notice your body and feel the weight of your limbs, the gentle rise and fall of your chest. It's just enough to arrive fully in this moment. And now bring your attention to your inner calm and imagine it as a quiet lake, smooth, still and peaceful. Any ripples of stress, worry, or tension gently settle. Each inhale draws calm into your mind, body, and heart, and each exhale releases lingering tension. Let this lake within you expand, filling your whole being with stillness and safety. If thoughts arise, observe them, then gently return to the calm lake. Feel the inner space. Feel that this peace inside is settling in. You are safe. You are supported. You are centered and at ease. This inner calm is always available to you, here and now. This was a voice-only relaxation. If you feel drawn to experience deeper relaxation journeys with music and extended guidance, you will also find my standard relaxation packages on my website. The link is in the description. Thank you for allowing yourself this moment of rest and peace. Take care of yourself, and I look forward to sharing the next moment of calm with you.